For lunch, I'll be rating my sister-in-law and her man's chicken wings. First bite. Kind of like how I make it. They did air fry these, but it's leftovers, so I microwave them. Flavor's good. You get the oyster, soy sauce, maybe some fish sauce. Obviously, it's not crispy because microwave, but I can imagine throw these back in the air fryer. Crispy. This is good homemade chicken wings. I like it. Tastes like how I'd make it. Sometimes you just want a naked chicken wing. Even though the skin's not crispy, sometimes I like that flabby skin. These are good. I give it a 7.9 out of 10.